Okay, wait.
Rainy.
So, good morning, students. In that time lesson, we will going to see the time. In that time lesson, we will going to see the bifurcation of time, like days of the week, months of the year, and the seasons. Which are the seasons will come in a year. That things we going to learn. So, Pushkaraj, which are the three main seasons?
Summer, winter, rainy.
Yes, summer, winter, and rainy. These are the three main seasons are there. But the whole year, there are 12 months in a year. In that whole year, we have to bifurcate which season will come in a which month. So can you tell me, summer season will come in a which months? आपको पता है समर सीजन कौन से मंथ्स में आता है? ईच सीजन हैविंग अ 4 मंथ. ईच सीजन, हर एक सीजन के लिए कितने मंथ्स रहते हैं? 4 मंथ्स. ईच सीजन हैविंग अ 4 मंथ्स. ओके. So summer season having 4 months, winter season having 4 months, and rainy season also having a 4 months. So I will tell you which season having a which month. So firstly we will take the summer season. Summer season comes in the February, March, April, and May. These 4 months summer season will come. Understood everyone? Which 4 months is summer season will come? February, March, April, and May. Okay. Then we will going to see the another season, like another season. Which another season? The next is after the summer season. Which season will come? Rainy season will come. After the winter, summer season, rainy season will come. In that rainy season, we can see June, July, August, and September. These 4 months having a rainy season. Which months rainfall? June, July, August, and September. Understood? Then last season is the winter season. Now which season is going on, Pushkaraj? Can you tell me now which season is going on?
Winter.
Winter. Now winter season is going on. That winter season will start from the October month. So October, November, December, and January. These 4 months having a winter season. Okay. Thank you, Pushkaraj. Now here I unmute another student. That student name is Evelyn De Silva. Okay, Evelyn, I unmute you.
Yes.
Okay, you have to tell me in which season summer season will come. In which month summer season will come? कौन से month में summer season आते हैं?
February.
February is the starting month of the summer season, but there are 4 months. In that 4 months, the summer seasons are there. Which are the 4 months? कौन से वो 4 months होते हैं? February,
March,
April,
April,
May.
May.
Okay, this month summer season will come. ये 4 मंथ में कौन सा सीजन रहता है? समर सीजन रहता है. अंडरस्टूड? 4 मंथ में कौन सा सीजन रहता है? समर सीजन रहता है. Now I unmute another student. That student will tell me in winter season. Winter season will come in which month? Krishiv, I unmute you. Krishiv Kalambe. Krishiv Kalambe, I unmute you.
Yes.
Okay, Krishiv. Okay, Krishu, now you have to tell me rainy season. In which months rainy season will come? Rainy season months में आता है?
June, July, August, September, and earlier day of the October.
No October month. June. Only 4 months. June, July, August, September. These 4 months rainy seasons are there. Which are the 4 months rainy seasons are there? June, July, August, and September. Understood? No October. October month is a winter season month. October is a winter season month. Okay. Now next I unmute another student. Akshat, I unmute you. Akshat Chauhan.
Teacher.
Yes, Akshat, you have to tell me the winter season will come in which month? कौन से months में winter season आते हैं? On your webcam, Akshat, first.
October.
Not only October. Which are the 4 months? कौन से वो
November.
4 months है जिसमें
November,
November.
December, January.
Okay, October, November, December, and January. These 4 months having a winter season. So these 4, 3 are 12. So there are 12 months a year. There are 12 months a year. Understood? ये 12 months year, ये जो 12 months है उसमें वो 4 months में each season आते हैं. So I'll show you a small video about the season. Wait a second, students.
Dress up according to the climatic condition, the year, and these are seasons. In this video, we will know about our seasons. We experience mainly 3 seasons around the year, and these are winter season, summer season, and monsoon season. Each season has different weather, different food stuff we get to eat, and we also dress up according to the climatic condition. So let's know about our seasons, starting with winter season. It's the season of the year, which starts in the month of November and lasts till February. Winter season comes after the rainy season. Winter mornings are misty and cold. There is dense fog everywhere. In colder regions, we can often see grounds covered with snow. It snows a lot in winter. It's called the season of snow, frost, biting winds, and extreme cold. In order to protect ourselves, we wear warm woolen clothes, such as sweater, jacket, socks, scarf, cap, and mittens. People also use blankets and quilts. In this season, people prefer to stay indoor and love hot beverages and relishing hot dishes. In the daytime, we like to bask in warm sunshine, and at night, we often see people sitting near the fireplace to keep themselves warm. During this time, the days are shorter and the nights get longer. This season also gives us variety of fruits and vegetables, such as apple, orange, guava, strawberry, pomegranate, grapes, papaya, and pineapple. We also get cauliflower, spinach, peas, carrot, beetroot, fenugreek leaves, radish, and broccoli. Christmas falls in the winter season. Children wait excitedly for Santa Claus' sleigh, expecting gifts from him. Now we will know about the summer season. Summer is the hottest season of the year, which starts in the month of March after Holi and lasts till June or July.
So for this, we can going to see a one trick. Okay, So everyone ready to see a trick? Yes, Nitika, Shreyas, Pragati, are you ready? Aradhya, Anvi. Okay. So here I will show you a small trick to how to identify the how many days in a month. How many days in a month. So here I unmute one of the student. That student name is Arvita. I unmute you. Yes, Arvita.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Arvita, do
Yes.
you know how many months in a year?
What?
How many months in a year?
12 months in a year.
Okay. In that 12 months, which seasons are there? Which are the seasons?
Winter season, summer season, rainy season.
Okay. Winter season, summer season, and rainy season. These are the three main seasons are there. That
Yes.
each season having a 4 months. Each season having a 4 months. But we having in that month having a day. So how many days we have in a particular month? Let me see. For identify the days in a month, we are having a one trick. Okay, everyone show me your hand like this. सब लोग अपना हाथ ऐसे दिखाओ. Okay, so this is the trick to identify the days in a month. The trick to identify the days in a month. Okay, we can start from a here. Here, we can start from here. It is a January, March. Nitika, look at here. January, February, March,
असं नाही जानेवारी
May,
फेब्रुवारी इथं
June,
मार्च
July,
इथं
August,
मग
September,
जानेवारी चालक
October,
वरती
November, December.
31st
Now I
द्यायचं
will
इथे
show
खाली
you
गेलं का
to
फेब्रुवारी
identify
28
how
days
many months in a
30
how many days in a month. Okay, so here is the upside. Upside, whichever months will come ना, this upside 1 2 3 4, ये जो upside है ना आपके हड्डी वाला बोन साइड, तो ये बोन के यहाँ पे जो भी मंथ आएगा उससे कितने मंथ्स रहते हैं? 31 डेज. ये बोन साइड में जो भी मंथ्स आते हैं दैट मंथ्स हैविंग अ 31 डेज एंड दैट मिडल ऑफ द बोन, in between the bone, the whichever months will come, that is a 30 days. That is a 30 days. So here is the January. See, January. So January having a how many days? 31 days. Understood, Nitika? January having a 31 days. February. See, February comes in between the bone. So February is the special month. February is a special month. Understood? February is a special month. It means what? February having a 28 and 29 days. Why the February months having a 28 and 29 days? Because February month is a special month, and every 4 years, after every 4 years, there the leap year is there. So in that leap year, 29 days in a February month. Rest of the year, February months having only 28 days. ओके, बाकी के ईयर में फेब्रुवरी मंथ में 28 डेज ही रहते, लेकिन जब भी लीप ईयर आता है, लीप ईयर कभी आता है? 4 साल के बाद आता है. लीप ईयर 4 साल के बाद आता है. वो लीप ईयर में फेब्रुवरी मंथ में 29 डेज रहते. हाउ मेनी डेज? 29 डेज. So January having a 31 days, February is a special month. It means a February having a 28 and 29 days. Then March on bone ना, बोन पे आया ना मार्च, तो मार्च को कितना मंथ डेज है? 31 डेज. प्रगति ठीक से देखो, मैं सबको पूछने वाली हूँ ये ट्रिक बाद में. और ये ट्रिक आपको सिर्फ फर्स्ट सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड के लिए यूजफुल नहीं है, जब आप आगे जाके आगे के एग्जाम्स दोगे ना तभी भी यूजफुल है. सो 31 days, March having a 31 days, then in between the March, April having a 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 डेज, दिसंबर 31 डेज। जो भी मंथ ये बोन पे आते हैं ना, ये बोन जो दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना आपको, ये बोन पे जो भी मंथ आते हैं वो 31 डेज रहते हैं, और ये बोन के बीच में जो मंथ आते हैं वो क्या रहते हैं, 30 डेज रहते हैं। जनवरी 31, फेब्रुवरी 28-29 डेज, मार्च 31, अप्रैल 30, मई 31, जून 30, जुलाई 31, देन फिर से यहाँ पे अगस्त 31, सितंबर 30, अक्टूबर 31, नवंबर 30, दिसंबर 31। अभी अगर आप कैलेंडर लेके क्रॉस चेक करोगे तो ये ट्रिक्स एकदम करेक्ट है, ऐसा आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। So here I unmute another student. That student will tell me that trick. Navya, I unmute you. Yes, Navya. Okay. Navya, now show me your hand and show me that trick. बताओ मुझे। हाँ, अभी मुझे काउंट करके बताओ, मतलब रीड करके बताओ जनवरी फरवरी ऐसे ट्रिक
Okay.
पे।
January having 31 days. February.
शो मी, आपका दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है मुझे, हाथ दिखाई नहीं दे रहे, कैमरा की तरफ देख। हाँ हाँ, वेरी गुड।
January having 31 days. February having 29 days. March having 31 days. And
मार्च के बाद क्या आता है?
April having 30 days. May.
हाथ ऊपर करो, हाथ ऊपर करो,
May,
हाथ ऊपर करो।
May having 31 days. June having 30 days. July having 31 days. August having 31 days. And September having 30 days. October having 31 days. November having 30 days and December having 31 days.
वेरी गुड, वेल डन। आपको ट्रिक समझ में आया?
Yes, teacher.
ओके, वेरी गुड, वेल डन। नाउ नेक्स्ट आई अनम्यूट।
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, next I unmute another student. That student name is Arnav. Arnav, roll number 36 from second D. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Arnav. Show me your hand. और बताओ मुझे कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है डेज ऑफ द मंथ।
January.
एक मिनट, आप दिखाई नहीं दे रहे। वेबकैम ऑन किया आपका अर्नव? वेबकैम ऑन करो ना, वेबकैम ऑन करो आपका। हाँ, अभी दिखाओ मुझे, करो।
January having 31 days. March.
जनवरी के बाद मार्च आता है डायरेक्ट। जनवरी के बाद क्या आता है?
February.
हाँ, ठीक से आप इधर उधर मत देखो, कैमरे की तरफ देखो और बोलो। आप सामने रखो। जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर। सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है माइंड में, जो भी मंथ ये बोन के ऊपर आता है ना, ये बोन के ऊपर, उसको 31 डेज रहते हैं, और जो भी मंथ ये बीच में जाते हैं ना, बोन के बीच में, उसको 30 डेज रहते हैं। चलो दिखाओ अभी मुझे।
January having 31 days.
February
having 28
28 and 29 days.
28 and 29 days. March having 30.
बोन के ऊपर आया ना, मतलब 31।
March having
31 days.
31 days.
April
having
30 days. बोन के बीच में है ना वो। मई अप्रैल के बाद
May having 31 days.
मई के बाद जून
June having
जून 30 डेज बीच में आ रहा है ना जून यहाँ पे 30 डेज जुलाई
30 days.
31 डेज चलो अगस्त 31 डेज बोन के ऊपर आया
days. September
30 डेज
September
30 डेज बोन के बीच में आया 30 डेज
30
हाँ।
days.
बोन के ऊपर अक्टूबर 31 डेज
October having 31 days.
बोन के
November
बीच में नवंबर
30 days.
दिसंबर
December having 31 days.
वेरी गुड समझ में आ रहा है ट्रिक इसको प्रैक्टिस करो जरा आपको माइंड में सेट हो जाएगी ओके So I hope everyone understand the days of a month. Okay, in which month having a how many days? आपको याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं आप सिर्फ ये ट्रिक यूज करोगे ना ऑटोमेटिकली आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन से मंथ में कौन से डेज कितने डेज आते हैं अंडरस्टूड नो
Yes.
नीड by heart and keep it in your mind you should just keep it in your mind the trick ये ट्रिक याद रखो सिर्फ ओके अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन I hope everyone understand the trick of the how to identify the days in a month. दिविजा समझ में आया दिविजा अभी तक नींद से उठी नहीं ना दिविजा